Guys, this is how Canada left it out. I need to charge my phone. I can show my boarding pass. Yeah, Alaska. You? Huh? Oh yeah, I'm here. Hi guys, bye. So I'm checking here. So I'm gonna get off the phone real quick. So I'm here at Canada, YVR, having a security check. So what happened is I have a brand new cutting machine for my hair, and in the box comes with a scissors. So they're gonna open the box and throw away the scissors, and I'm good to go. So that's what's holding me. And I got like 40 minutes to my plane, so I hope this can be done faster. So hopefully I don't have to stay here longer. Okay, I'll update you. So that's what happens when they flag your luggage. They have to check, and then you have to wait. You can be left by the plane, but that's what happens. We don't know everything. We don't always know everything. That's a brand new machine. All it has is a small piece of scissors, which is not allowed, and I didn't even realize, but it's not a big deal. They didn't make a big fuss out of it. So they're just gonna throw away the scissors, give me my machine, as you can see, and then I'm good to go. Hopefully I can catch my flight. All right, guys. So now I'm gonna have to arrange my luggage. Guys, this machine here I just bought, it cost me some delay. I lost the scissors. These scissors is what made them flag my bag. Now, guys, I just finished security check, so I'm heading to my plane. So we're going to see what's going on. Just check the security. What's going on? Oh, that was baggage. This is confusing. This is not like US gate. Guess this is passport control. Okay. So the first security was just to check your luggage, and you'll be okay. And this one is where they check your passport. So I'm gonna. I'm okay here. So guys, I'm gonna get off the board for a minute because they have to check my boarding pass, which is digital on my phone. So we're gonna do this. I don't know. So I just showed my passport, and I think this is not Canada anymore. These are DHS from the US. That's where I was supposed to show my passport. So now we're going to look for our gate 88. And guys, I don't have a lot of time. This is crazy. 71 to 99. I can hear them calling my name. So I need to run, guys.
Can you guys laugh?
I wonder what time it is. I'm using my phone to vlog, so I don't know when. I'm running. Oh, sorry, right. The captain go ahead of me because he's got to flag the plane. Get 88. All right, guys. No, I had my hand, but I guess no, it's not good. Premium lounge. You fly fast business class, that's where you go chill, get some good drinks, wait for your flight. Today I cannot even catch a coffee because I have zero time to waste here. Let me see how much the liquor. When I used to drink, I would have known the prices, but it's still expensive than US anyway. What? That's a good place. No time. 86. Looking for 88. 86.
So I got the keys to get around the hospital.
So you're delayed? The plane is not here yet, right?
It's almost here. Yeah, in a few minutes.
Okay.
5 minutes.
All right, thank you. So, I thought I was hearing sounds of my name, but it wasn't me. So the plane is being delayed with a few minutes, so we're good to go. So nobody has checked in yet. So that's good. So we're gonna stop this vlog from now until we go to the plane. So that's how my check-in, that's how Canada lets you out of the country. I'm 17 already, so I'm good. I'm good. I walk around. I do my exercise by walking around the airport. It's my new gym.
Like, it's great.